Whoa! There are so many trees in here. Look, they look so alive. For some trees, I even hardly tell the names. Look, there are also some model cars, some model figures, model lamp, some buildings and some accessories for scenario models. Well, I'm Daniel and this is HIMIC program. Hi guys, that is the building, the base of DIY Model Tree. Let's go take a look. DIY Model Tree is located on the third floor of Yongtonglong Building, Jianshe Road, Longhua District in Shenzhen. It has become the largest and the most professional model tree manufacturer in China. It is an all-in company for R&D production, quality control, sales, after-sales service, focusing on sense models such as model trees, model figures, model lamps and model cars, micro-scene models, Christmas decoration and relighting accessory supplying. For this kind of model tree, it looks simple. However, it will take a long production process, tailoring shape, dipping glue, dipping powder sponge, forming and dyeing and packing finally. Here is raw materials area. All of them was approved by the strict certification of environmental protection. DIY Model Tree was established in 2003. The factory has an area of 4,700 square meters, 80 workers, and an annual sales of $400,000. All the products manufactured here are strictly in accordance with ROSA standard, and more than 10,000 kind of products you can choose. Especially model trees are most welcome. Meanwhile, the materials can be divided into two categories, plastic and iron wire, which can be used for architectural stand table models, landscape style table models, and handicrafts. The high fidelity make the sand tables more realistic, and variety of styles and size can make different style of sand table alive. After packed, the product will be stored here. It is DIY Model Tree's warehouse. The storage have around 2,000 square meters and the product here can be valued in around $200,000. Every day, trucks bring all these products to the port and then, recently, can be shipped to all the world via air or via sea. We all know better that self-service can let the business do much better. You can see that they all are busy servicing the customers. The market feedback is the best proof that they can really doing well. Customers from United States, Germany, United Kingdom, Italy, Dubai and Saudi Arabia are enjoying having fun the cooperation with them. Not only because of the high quality, but also because of the best price and the tailor-made service. By the way, if you also like to gauge the opportunity to develop your own business, please feel free to contact them in any way on the screen. With the continuous development and expansion of overseas market, different regions require different levels of quality. DIY Model Tree goal is to provide the most suitable products to customers and help them to develop more local markets and to be win-win finally. Now it's time to say bye. If you have the need relating to model trees, please try DIY Model Tree. Thank you very much.